Hi there. I'm going to share a few ways to fix Bluetooth issues after you upgrade to macOS Monterey. Bluetooth devices really improve the experience of using your Mac. Whether it's a wireless mouse and keyboard or Bluetooth speakers, not having your computer tethered to all of your peripheral devices is nice. But if your Bluetooth stops working after you update to macOS Monterey, it can be a massive headache to try and deal with. Keep watching and I'll show you some tips and tricks you can use to fix it. If you haven't tried this already, the very first thing you're going to want to do is to check for an update to Monterey. To do that, open System Preferences and click Software Update. Click Update Now to install updates. If there are no updates available, the next trick is to run macOS Monterey maintenance scripts. And to do that, I'm going to use CleanMyMac X. It's a Mac cleaning utility that's been notarized by Apple. It allows you to run regular maintenance and useful optimizations to help fix performance issues on your Mac. CleanMyMac X can also be used for regular malware scans. It detects Silver Sparrow and other Mac-specific threats. The best part is you can download it for free. Just follow the link in the video description below. Once you have it downloaded and installed, open CleanMyMac X. Choose Maintenance from the sidebar. Select Run Maintenance Scripts, then click Run. Running maintenance routines once in a while will help you keep your Mac healthy and optimized. Next up, let me shed some light on the most common Bluetooth issues you may encounter in macOS Monterey and ways to fix them. If your Bluetooth devices aren't showing up in the Bluetooth menu, try resetting the Bluetooth module. Hold down Shift Option on your keyboard. Click the Bluetooth icon in your toolbar. Then click Reset the Bluetooth module. Hit OK to confirm. Now try repairing your device. You may need to restart your Mac after doing this if it's still not seeing your device. When you try to connect your device, you might be getting an error message that says Bluetooth not available. This could be caused by a corrupted .plist or preference file, making your Bluetooth not work right. To reset your Bluetooth .plist file, make sure you close any app that's trying to use Bluetooth. Click on Finder. Hold down the Option key and click Go, Library, Preferences. Find the com.apple.bluetooth.plist file and delete it. Finally, restart your computer. The new plist file will be generated and your issue should be fixed. If you can't turn your Bluetooth back on after updating your Mac to Monterey, it's likely because of something in your SMC. SMC is a system management controller in charge of many hardware settings like keyboard lighting and Bluetooth. If you have a laptop, here's how to reset SMC settings. Turn off your Mac. Then hold Control-Option-Shift and the power button for about 10 seconds. Release the keys and then turn your Mac back on. But if you have a desktop Mac, the steps to resetting SMC are a bit different. Shut down your Mac. Pull out the power cord and slowly count to 15. Plug the power cable back in and wait 5 more seconds. Then start up your Mac. Your Bluetooth devices might continuously disconnect from your computer. The reason why that happens may be one of the devices that pairs with your computer might be causing a conflict. The good news is you can remove all Bluetooth devices and then repair them. To remove all devices, hold down Option-Shift and click on the Bluetooth icon. Click Remove All Devices. Then click OK to confirm. The latest Safari version in macOS Monterey has a tool for hiding your IP address. It gives you some security, but it is reported to slow things down. To disable Hide Your IP, open Safari Preferences. Navigate to Privacy. Uncheck the box next to Hide IP Address. Check if your Bluetooth is working again. Well, that's all for today. Don't forget to check out the description box for links and additional details. Thanks for watching and see you next time.